All right, what's up, everybody? Just going to do a quick recap on two trades that I took. One is a swing trade, one was a day trade, but both on IWM. So the first one was a swing trade on IWM. I swung calls right at the close yesterday into today's session. And the reason behind that was initially I had this level marked at 220.3, which started on Tuesday on the 15-minute time frame here. This was a break to the upside and a retest, and then a huge move to the upside. So this is the 15-minute orb break and retest, and then again, it had a really good pop to the upside. And then the next session on Wednesday, IWM came back down, hit that same spot, and instantly got bought straight back to the upside. Later on in the session on Wednesday, it broke it to the downside, and then similar over here, when it breaks and it did a retest and went to the upside, this was a break, retest, and downside. So this is a critical spot here on IWM. So I marked it. And then Thursday's session going into the close, IWM was pulling back down to that same spot. There was no better spot risk to reward to try calls than on the retest of this spot. And at the same time, I saw if it did bounce here, you have a potential inverse head and shoulders that was setting up to get that move to go to the upside. So I did it live on Spaces and in Discord here that I was scaling into those 225 calls for Monday. And then in pre-market, 225 ended up going into the money. It pulled back. And then at the open was up about 65%, scaled out majority, and then took the 225s in the money there for just about 110%. Ended up closing the trade. And then IWM started to pull back. So now I started to look to go short on IWM, called it out live in Discord and Spaces as well. Drew this trend line right here. I love to mark the pre-market wicks, highs, and lows, and had a break of structure right here. Kind of entering into the IWM 222 puts at this time. Got a nice move to the downside, got about 80%. Almost went in the money, exited majority except for a runner, leaving a stop at break even. Got a bounce back up here, put in a lower high, and then the move all the way down here, and then 222 ended up going into the money as well on the runner for 100% as well. And then that was really the end of my day there by about 11:30. So about 2 hours of work, two trades, both on IWM. One is calls, the other one's puts. Both were 100% trades. It was an amazing day, an amazing Friday, and way to end the week. So hopefully everyone had a great trading day and a trading week, and I'll catch you guys on Monday.